It is time to do our Chapter 4 vocabulary review and our review for our chapter test tomorrow. So we will be taking a test on composing and decomposing all of the numbers from 3 to 10. So the first thing that they're asking us to do is just take a quick vocabulary check to see if we can read the words and we know what the words mean. And they're asking us to color the group of 4 raindrops yellow. Well, Mrs. Croft doesn't have a yellow up there, so I'm going to color my 4 raindrops green. You can color yours yellow. I should have said before, you'll need pages 313 through 316 so that we can go through this together. There won't be an assignment that you need to turn in. We'll do all of this together. So you'll need 313 through 316. First direction, color the group of 4 raindrops yellow. Like I said, I don't have yellow, so mine will be green. So here are our group of 4. That is the number word 4. And you know what? I bet you didn't even have to count those 4. I bet your brain is so good at numbers that you subitized, that you just looked at it and knew that there were 4. All right. The next direction says to color the group of 8 raindrops orange. Color the group of 8 raindrops orange. So do you see the number word 8? Right there it is. And those are your group of 8. And I happen to have an orange. So go ahead and color your 8 raindrops orange. And I'll color mine in the best I can. I bet you're doing a better job than I am. And your 8 raindrops are orange. And the last direction on this page says to color the group of 10 raindrops purple. Color the group of 10 raindrops purple. Mine's kind of a purpley blue here. So there's that number word 10. There it is, that number word 10. And there's your group of 10 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. So that was the vocabulary check. Go ahead and turn the page so that you are on page 314. 314 looks really familiar. We have done this kind of thing so many times where we're taking apart those numbers and putting numbers together. So let's go ahead and start here with these boots, and we are going to choose a way to make 9. So we're going to color one group of boots, one color, and another group of boots, the other color. It's asking you to use red and yellow. I don't think it really matters as long as you use 2 different colors. You can only use 2 different colors to color the boots, though. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make, I want to make that a little bit bigger there. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to color the first 5 boots that purpley color, and I'm going to write 5 down there because 5 is the number of one of the groups that I'm making here as I'm taking apart 9, or I'm putting together 9. Here we go. We're going to color the rest of the boots the other color. Remember, we are only using 2 different colors because we're only putting them into 2 different groups. All right, I colored 1, 2, 3, 4 boots orange because 5 and 4 is the way to make 9. A group of 5 blue and 4 orange would make 9. Now it's asking us to take apart that number 10. All right, find a way to make number 10. So let's go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Let's make 5 that first number again. Let's go ahead and write the number 5 on the line. And then switch colors. And we are going to color the rest of the bags. Those are little brown paper bags, like sack lunches. Color the rest of this blue purpley color thing here. I think it's more blue. We're going to color the rest of them. You can only have 2 colors because we're only separating them into 2 different groups. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 again. Because 5 and 5 make 10, right? a group of 5 and another group of 5 can be put together to make 10. All right. Now the directions change just a little bit down here. Instead of coloring, you are going to circle 2 different groups. All right, you're going to circle 2 different groups. So let's go ahead and circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first 6 here. And we'll go ahead and write the number 6 down here. Number 6. And then you have to switch up. Here we go. And make another circle, and that has the rest of the things in the group, because every single item has to be in one group or the other. You can't leave any of them out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in that group. And another way to make 10 is a group of 6 and a group of 4. When you're all finished, we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn the page till we see page 315. And they're asking us to come up with 2 different ways to make the number 7. All right, we're going to do 2 different ways to make the number 7. So I'll go up here and get my pen again. And we are going to go ahead. Let's just do the first 3, one color. All right, we'll do the first 3 at the very top, one color. So 3 blue, switching up colors. And now we have to do the rest of the dots, okay? Because there are 7 dots. We have to do the rest of the dots in another color. How many dots did we do green? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So we know that 3 and 4 is a way that we can make 7. Let's do another way to make 7. We're going to color all these up here. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll do 5 for my first number, and I'll write that number 5. And I'm going to switch it up, and I'm going to color the rest of my dots here. Remember, all the dots have to be colored because they're going to be in one group or the other. You can't leave any of them out. You can't leave any uncolored. So I have 1, 2. So I'll write a 2 over here. And now I know that 5 and 2 is another way to make 7. All right, one more practice page. Go ahead and turn to page 316. Looks like more of the same. You know what to do. You've done this before. We're going to be choosing 2 different colors to separate that group of 4. All right, so let's color the first flag orange here and put a number 1 there. We're going to do the first one, and then we'll switch colors. We'll do the rest of them in a different color. Not leaving any of these flags out, any of these pennants. So now 1, 2, 3 are blue. So that we know that a group of 1 and a group of 3 come together to make 4. All right, let's do the apples down here. Let's do some green apples. I think I'll do 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to switch. Oops. I don't want to switch until I write my number, do I? I'm going to go ahead and put 3 down here around, stop. I'm going to switch colors now, and I'm going to make the rest of them this orange color, not leaving any out. They all have to be included in a group. They all have to be included. So 1, 2, 3 in that group. Another doubles fact. 3 and 3 is a way to make 6. All right, one more quick example, and that is with the number 9. That's with the number 9. Now, we have to put a circle around the 9 cups that are here to make 2 different groups. So let's go ahead and do 1, 2, 3. 3 cups in our first group, and write that number 3 right there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups are in the second group. So 6 down here. So now we know that another way to make 9 is a group of 3 and a group of 6. I think we have practiced this, and you're probably ready to take your chapter test tomorrow.